Let's talk tires. Here's a fact. Nothing's more important to the life of your treads than pressure. Too much pressure wears out the center tread, which can extend stopping distance. It can also make tires too stiff, causing unwanted vibration, and can increase the chances of impact damage. Ouch! Too little pressure can wear out the tread edges, which can increase heat, aging your tires, and can reduce fuel economy. Hey, the pump is not your friend. Did you know tires can lose up to 1 psi every month? So check your tire pressure monthly to maintain proper psi, as indicated on the sticker on the driver's side door jamb. For more information, see your Mopar tire specialist at your local Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Fiat dealer. Mopar, at your service.